What's up guys, how are you doing? So today I've also met a good friend of mine. She's called 𝑽𝑰𝑗𝑳𝑍𝒁, a Kenyan content creator, and she's doing an amazing job. So Irene, how was the experience so far?
So hi guys, welcome to 𝑽𝑰𝑗𝑳𝑍𝒁 channel. My name is 𝑽𝑰𝑗𝑳𝑍𝒁. I have a YouTube channel which goes by the name of 𝑽𝑰𝑗𝑳𝑍𝒁. But for today we are here to support 𝑽𝑰𝑗𝑳𝑍𝒁.
Yeah.
So Nairobi is under construction. Like many places here in Nairobi are still under construction, and we really appreciate the government is doing an amazing job. So yeah, that is how I can say. Nairobi is an amazing city. If you have never been to Nairobi, you need to visit. The place is developing, and everything is amazing. Yeah, like today, it's on a weekend, and we just want to go for a random walk, and then we show you how everything looks like here.
Yeah. So guys, today we've decided to meet with Irene.
Yeah, it's my first time to meet him, so I'm so blessed. And, I'm happy.
So we are here for good time. We want to take you around the city and the streets so that you can show you a good content. So keep it locked. Make sure you smash that subscription button, you can share with your friends, guys. That's how you support us. So let us take you around Nairobi and the streets so that you can have some good time together. Okay?
So thank you so much, guys, and support us.
Okay. So, anyway. So the above field is used for, during the weekdays it's for parking. Then weekends, you can see that it's used for skating. You can see that kid there. I can zoom. You can see that kid. Harambee Avenue, is being under construction. Then this is Taifa Road. I think they are marking the road signs. Yeah, you can see they're marking the road signs. So it's just a cool place. Yeah, so you wanna go and try something. Maybe you can see if you can take a video from the top of KICC. Yeah. So this Taifa Road, you can see that's the Ministry of Education, Jogoo House. So that's where Mr. No Nonsense, aka Magoha, lives. Yeah. So let's take you around. So this is the Elimu house, and we're just taking you around the Harambee Avenue. Just amazing. So you've just met there a kid begging for her mom. So you have a pedestrian. So you have a pedestrian, is road sign. So if you want to cross, you can just switch the button, and wait for the green light, I think, or the person, and so that you can cross. So in front that is 𝑽𝑰𝑗𝑳𝑍𝒁. That is the Ministry for Foreign Affairs. Ministry for Foreign Affairs. This is Harambee line. I think it's under renovation. So this is the CBK Pension Tower, located along the Harambee Avenue. Yeah, beautiful cities, just calm. This the Nairobi on weekend, so dull, so calm, and good for content. Surely you can just go and sit there and relax, and nobody will bother you. Now that's the office of the president, the Harambee House. Yeah, office of deputy president. I think it's not allowed for shooting. And look at that picture. Need maybe too shaking too. You know that?
Very clear.
Huh? Look.
Very clear.
I hate town. That's the problem.
Why? And town is the one who's friendly.
This is the Parliament Road junction. Yeah. You know. Yeah, this is the Parliament, Kenyan Parliament. Yeah. This is the upper house, which is the National Assembly, and the Senate is behind there. You can see, you know, it's a restricted place, so we are risking. So I'm risking for you guys. I'm risking for my viewers so that we can get content here. Yeah. You can see these are fruits. Yeah, these are fruits also. Yeah. There's the gate, Parliament gate. Yes, you can see the beautification of Nairobi. You can see how green it is. Yeah. So green, that's the KCC building. No throughway there. The Senate. So this is the Senate. This is the Senate. Yeah. Yeah, this is the Senate and the Parliament building. You can see Kenyan's flag there. This Kenyan flag there. A fact that those flags, they're on pathway to where the first president. Content nimepata. So this is the city hallway junction roundabout. I'm gonna walk through it. So see, going beautification, yeah. And this cabros looks so sweet and awesome. So I'm gonna walk through this city whole highway. Yeah. Yeah, you can see how beautiful it is. No trespassing, public warning. Yeah, right. Yes, you can see how beautiful the place is. Kisumu and 𝑽𝑰𝑍𝒁𝒀 destination. That's a telecom building.